Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial about how to remove and install motorcycle chains.
Bicycle
chains. A lot of people have been asking me about this, so we're going to show you how to, we're going to get right into it, show you guys how to do it.
Alright.
So, Justin, where's the bike at? Justin, where's the bike? Justin, where's the bike at?
Oh, it's in the shed.
Oh.
Get back. Back.
Alright, so is this shed?
Yeah. Oh, close the door.
Ah, fuck. I'll go get this one. Hold on.
I see. It's right there.
Alright, we got it. What's wrong? What?
Alright. Oh, hey, we're going in the garage. Right. We're going in the garage. Garage.
Oh, we're in the garage now. We're gonna finally start working on this thing. Where's the kickstand at?
The what?
The thing.
Right there. It's on your side. Oh, your side.
Okay. Okay, so now that it's down, a lot of people don't know what a bike chain is. So a bike chain is a metal chain that goes in a bike. Whenever you turn these little things here like that, it helps you go forward. So yeah, so sometimes these go bad or get loose. You have to replace them. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna try to loosen it up. So and then get it off. So. Yeah, it's normally, what the fuck is this? Okay. Yeah, you get like that, and then, what the fuck is this? What the hell is this?
Okay. What are you doing?
What's it look like I'm doing? I'm trying to remove this fucking chain.
Alright, well. Ah! And that is how you remove, repair, and replace a chain on a motorcycle.